No!
Big Macintosh is holding his ex-girlfriend's wedding invitation. He couldn't help but feel pain when he thought about Princess Cadence. Big Macintosh is remembering his broken love with Princess Cadence. Big Macintosh was determined to change his appearance to attend his ex-girlfriend's wedding.
Hello?
May I help you?
Big Macintosh went to Elemental Beauty to change his appearance. Big Macintosh is quite self-conscious about his appearance. Wade is spraying water on Big Macintosh's hair so he can get a haircut afterwards. Wade is adept at styling, so in no time the Big Macintosh's new hairstyle was complete.
Wow! Wow!
Let's dye the hair for Big Macintosh.
Oh!
Use a comb to mix the dye, then apply it to your hair. Wow, what a beautiful hair color. Look at the Big Macintosh, he is so handsome. Wade helps Big Macintosh choose the outfit to go to the wedding.
Oh!
Big Macintosh chooses forever but still can't find the right one for me. Big Macintosh tells Wade about the clothes he wants.
Oh!
Ember helped Big Macintosh create the clothes he wanted. Big Macintosh loves this outfit.
Wow!
At the wedding, Shining Armor was kneeling to give Princess Cadence the ring when Big Macintosh came over. Princess Cadence and Big Macintosh shed tears when they meet again.
Oh no!
Princess Cadence left the Shining Armor at their own wedding to run to the Big Macintosh. What do you think about Princess Cadence? Please leave a comment below.
Huh? Oh.
Fluttershy Pony feels cool when he sees Jumbo Josh and Rainbow Dash dressed in casual style. Oh, so it's Rainbow Dash hanging out at a nightclub. Seeing Fluttershy, Jumbo stopped him and said this place won't let Pony in.
No! No!
Why? Huh?
After that, Pony turned into a human but she didn't look so pretty and cool. Twilight Sparkle was so well dressed that she was immediately greeted and invited inside. Fluttershy was embarrassed and cried. Pinkie Pie was lying on the sofa playing with her phone happily when she saw Fluttershy running back crying. The little girl told the story to Pinkie. Pinkie hears it and laughs, making you angry, then drags you somewhere. Looking at this space, Pinkie probably wants Fluttershy to change her appearance. What a good friend. Remove makeup to remove dirt. People often think that makeup must be removed, but it's not. We need to remove makeup every day even if we don't wear makeup to keep our skin clean. Now let's start with foundation. Spread the cream evenly over the important areas. Apply evenly for a smooth finish. I give you one more tip to have a glossy foundation, that is to moisturize your face before applying foundation. Anyone who is busy can spray mineral water. Apply blush, brows and mascara in turn. These steps, just follow the video and do it. Finally, apply lipstick to make your face more fresh. Comb your hair to make it smooth and neat.
Hey! Huh?
Haha. Makeup took so long that Fluttershy fell asleep.
Oh!
Finally, wear contact lenses for this beauty.
Wow!
Add a pair of earrings for luxury.
Good, good. Huh?
She's pretty but her clothes aren't clean and they don't suit the club.
Oh! Wow!
Wow.
Oh.
Outfits are too hot, will attract all eyes.
Bye-bye!
Wow!
Jumpo looked at Fluttershy very attractively, and quickly invited her to the club. Also,
Sorry.
I apologize for criticizing you. Fluttershy girl has one that makes a great makeover, right guys? As girls, we should take care of our health and beauty to always be confident. Beauty is for ourselves, not for anyone. Besides, it also criticizes people who often criticize people who only look at their appearance to judge others. Everyone has their own beauty and values that need to be respected. What is Chef Pigster doing to sit there? He took the banana and ate it deliciously.
Oh!
Chef Pigster proudly threw the banana peel in the trash but missed. What's so interesting about Pigster? To go. It turned out to be the beautiful Banbalina girl. Oh my god. She slipped and fell due to Pigster's own banana peel. He quickly threw away the banana peel and helped Banbalina up. Huh? Banbalina seems to be very afraid of Pigster's appearance. She thinks he is a monster. Pigster introduces himself as the chef. Banbalina understands and is happy again. Oh. Turns out this is Valentine's Day. What do you think Pigster will do for Banbalina? Looking at the ingredients in the kitchen, it's definitely chocolate. What a romantic guy. The first step will be to absorb the water for the butter. Add a little sugar to increase the love between the two of us. The sugar and butter begin to heat up and gradually decrease. Now going to use the machine to merge it all together. Pigster is really clever, isn't he, people? Now I will add the main ingredient, which is cocoa. Add a little vanilla for flavor. All by machine we will have mixed chocolate. Turn off the stove and create any beautiful shapes. Oh! The heart-shaped tray looks so cute. It's like expressing Pigster's love for Banbalina. Good luck to our guy. It's so clever that it doesn't get stuck outside. Don't know if people give gifts or surprise their loved ones? Personally, I love that. No need to be fussy, just simple gifts or make a dish yourself. Handmade items also make your loved one touched and happy. Let's create good memories together. Wishing you all happiness. Pigster carefully decorates the chocolates. Time to wait for the hardware to be able to give as a gift.
Wow!
Ta-da! The gift is complete. The last step is to put it in a lovely gift box. Is the gift box also heart-shaped? Ka-ka-ka. The gift is done, now it's time to confess to that person. Benbalina's face looks like that? Was she expecting Pigster to do something for her?
Oh! For you.
Pigster don't go around giving her that passionate gift. Benbalina is very happy to receive gifts. She kissed her cheek to show her affection.
Huh?
Oh!
Oh, Benbalina's birthday is coming up. Ban went into the bakery.
Hello!
Oh!
Huh?
No!
Ban ordered Jumbo Josh to make a cake in the shape of a pilot.
Yes! Okay.
Oh!
Jumbo Josh is happy that Ban has paid. In the kitchen there are many baking tools. Jumbo Josh cracked the eggs into a bowl and adds some sugar. Use a whisk to dissolve the mixture. Add butter. Continue using the whisk to melt the mixture into buttercream. Spread buttercream on the cake base. Put all the buttercream in the bag. Tighten the mouth of the bag. Cover the entire cake with buttercream. Oh, the buttercream coating on the outside of the cake has been smoothed.
Oh!
The statue of Opala placed on top of the cake still lacks wings. After adding wings and eyes to Opala, Jumbo Josh also painted the grass. Wow! The cake is filled with green color. Jumbo Josh was very pleased with the cake. Bab Bab is still happily chatting with Banbalina. Oh, Jumbo Josh brought out a gift box.
Oh!
Wow,
Oh!
Banbalina loves the Opila shaped cake.